Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Don't Underestimate You from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Don't underestimate you. I'd be lying if I told you your environment didn't have a say in who you are as a person. I'd also be lying if I told you that you are shackled in the midst of it with no control. Your environment doesn't define who you are. You do. Your spiritual evolution chose this environment for your personal growth, and now it's up to you to create. Whether you had a positive environment or a negative one, your perseverance and faith determines what comes next. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this also. I believe, if you allow things to hold you down, then yes, your environment would control you because you allow it to control you. But if you don't allow it to control you, it can't control you. And like it says, your spiritual evolution wants what is happening in your life. What you need to do is take a step back if there's bad things happening and realize what it is and why it's happening. Sometimes you can't explain why or how or anything like that. That's when you need to let go. Just let it go. Stop trying to fight it. Figure out why it's happening. Just deal with it. Take a step back. Persevere. Have faith. Have gratitude. You'll get through anything. With faith, gratitude, and love, I believe. Love is the key to everything, I believe. And when things are smooth sailing, you still need to bring those vibrations down and have gratitude. Be grateful for it being smooth sailing. And when things happen, just take a step back, persevere, figure out what you need to do. Don't fight through it. If there's things you need to let go, just let it go. Don't worry about it. Stop trying to fight it. Like I always say, just follow love. You'll be happy, I believe. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.